Hello, hi. I am Ravi Shankar Rash with another episode of Friday Poems. And as I told you last week, we have been getting so many poems from so many poets, and thank you for your cooperation. Please, the others too, I request them to send in their videos and text of the poems and biodata for us to proceed with this program. The poet we are introducing this week is Dr. BABU from Kerala. She is working as Assistant Professor of English with the Department of College Education, Government of Kerala, and is working at BJM College, Chavara, Kollam. Her poems have been featured in many anthologies, journals, and magazines. Her collections of poems are Kaleidoscope, which came in 2020, and Shorelines, which came in 2021. Her co-edited collection of poems is Marathi in 2021. She will be reading two poems today. Sorrow and loneliness. So over to Dr. BABU for reading her poems. Thank you.
Thank you very much, dear Ravi sir, for including me in Friday Poetry. I shall recite two of my poems here. The first one is titled Sorrow. Sorrow is a little girl who lodges in the inmost room of my house. All day long she sits and ruminates and comes to assumptions. As soon as I am alone, she comes close to me, reminding me this and that and their consequences. When a guest arrives, she flees to her abode. She says she has siblings in every home, and they by no means grow outside their childhood days. Sorrow dresses in my childhood best and plaits her hair into. The second poem is titled Loneliness. Loneliness adopts you as sibling on chancing that you are without one. She claps your hands and masks you with solitude. She combs your hair and soothes you to knee length. She guides you for enduring baths and lathers your eyes with sorrow. As a steadfast sibling, she lets you have the adventures of life. You read, marry and give birth, but you are constantly prompted of her presence and an intense demand to be with you. Some days you scheme to forsake her, but you realize the fertile part of you goes as alimony and you are left with moles. On days she thrusts into your life, you pull away halfway a conversation, you walk out of a coffee table laughter, you walk away from weddings and funerals, you walk away to be alone. Loneliness is a woman who demands outside discretion. Thank you very much.